Assalamualaikum and good morning to the honorable judges, accurate timekeepers, and everyone in this hall.
We are going to perform a poem entitled Pouring Rain. Please sit back, relax, and enjoy our performance.
Circling the sky were dark clouds, high and up above in the air. Looming slow but so steady lurking to consume everything right on its path. Disturbing peace, feeding on harmony of a quiet surrounding.
Creeping in like thick black smoke, it was blanketing and so gently moving. To clean up dirt, to give us hope, a heavy downpour as early this evening. We were not so ready for another day, drenched in the flood of rain.
Thunder was heard loud in the distance, rough like a lion's roar, far in the wilderness. Lightning was striking, so bright and so blinding. The rule and the power of the mighty greatness. Nature is deliberately breaking, as we have long forgotten, to lift our tiny arms to pray for her well-being.
Bushes bent down, blowing the wind. Branches were broken, trees were uprooted. Dust filled up a once lovely valley. It was blaring, then it was dead, so very quiet. We were not so ready for another day, drenched in the blood of rain.
The mothers ran to keep their laundry safe. Sun is very scarce. Things take time to dry these very days. The children at home were put in one place. No chance and no luck to go out and to play today.
The sky was crying. No, it was morning. The same yesterday and the day before. Tiny drops of rain were bearing so much pain, so much love, and so much hate in our world that is hard to spare.
Thick black cotton candy does not look very happy. Troubled maybe with the antics of how we were living. Tiny drops of rain were better than the drops of our bombs. A war so tragic, killing for games, truly heartbreaking.
Rain is better than the endless teardrops of parents missing their children or the children missing their parents. Lost in the ugly wars that men create and procreate.
Thunder is better than the bullet, so loud, so deafening to the ears of the innocent, of the helpless, shouting for peace at the end of it all.
Lightning is better than the flash of light of the truth, barging in people's home so rudely for taking things that they don't belong, leaving us so out of breath in our supposed a very safe space.
Rain is definitely better than the shower of grenades from your versus killing machines. Rain gives us hope that there will be rainbows after this storm.
So keep on pouring rain, my lovely sky, for you have been strong for so long. Get these things out of your chest. We will clean up after the mess. We will be patiently waiting for one day that the sun will shine bright again.
So keep on pouring rain. Let the world wash up the pain. The blood dried out on the sand will be buried under this land.
So please, God, please, keep pouring rain. Mothers will never dare to complain about it again. Our kids will also be ever be patiently waiting for the world and the universe to heal, to get better again and again.
Thank you, everyone.
See you later.